Tired of the 9 to 5? Let's start an online business powered by AI and automation. Now is a really good time to do it. Step 1. Sign up for the AI Empires. Step 2. Start with a done-for-you snapshot to get started off on the fast track. Step 3. Create AI assistants to help you grow and scale your business. Step 4. Create sales pages and websites from pre-built templates powered with AI automations to help you do more with less. Step 5. Learn the exact process we use inside our educational community. But how are you going to learn to do this? Starting Friday, we're kicking off another live online workshop where we'll build an AI-powered platform to create more time, money, and freedom for you. Get started today at theaiempires.com and join the season of AI. Let's create the future together.